guys, welcome to my vlog.
And let's cook. Welcome to my vlog and welcome to my cooking show. Parang ganun. Actually, I plan to cook a sisig. Pero dahil kulang-kulang ang aking ingredients, kung ano lang ang meron sa bahay, yun lang ang nagawa ko ba. Yan. May minced pork, may shallots, and then bell pepper, and then 2 eggs. Yan. Nagdagdag lang ako ng konting seasoning like light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, sugar, and black pepper powder, and konting gisa-gisa. Ginisa ko sa bawang yung minced pork. Yan. Until maging crispy fry, malabas yung oil niya. Actually, nagdagdag pa ako ng tubig. Nilaga ko pa yan siya until mag-dry up. Dahil gusto ko yung thoroughly cook yung karne. Ayoko yung gigisa lang. Gusto ko ilalaga pa muna para mas luto ba yung karne. Ayan. And then I add sliced bell peppers, shallots, and of course the 2 pieces of eggs. Ayan. Masarap na rin po. Parang sisig na rin. Nakakagana. Nakakain ka ng more kanin. Yan. Nakakasira ng diet. So, yan. Konting stir and fry. Yan po ang aking dinner for tonight. Kayo, anong dinner nyo? Yummy. And also, I add boiled vegetables on the side. This is my dinner. So, yan. Ready na. Ready to serve. Very yummy. Kain tayo. Nakakagutom. So, that's my vegetables. And of course, the sisig na less ang ingredients. So, that's it. Kain tayo guys. Thank you for watching. And God bless everyone.